if we are posting our content on various platforms, but
Mm-hmm.
how to avail those career opportunities? As you have rightly said, that in LinkedIn we have to just run behind the HR and ask them to hire us. But if we
Right.
are having this Instagram, or if we are on posting our content on YouTube or any other platform, so how we can avail career opportunities?
That will really consume your time, because YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp, Facebook, this all are not professional site. This all are like info entertainment. You have information over here, you
Right,
have entertainment over here. So here it will really take a lot of time than if you compare to LinkedIn. But what I want to tell you, see, if you have any career selection, if you want a career growth, suppose if you want to become a teacher, YouTube is the best
right,
platform for you. You can start creating videos on this niche on YouTube. You start posting the videos, people will start watching you. So you need to select a
right,
specific niche for yourself, which will make you happy in terms of your career, and that on basis on that only you should start posting everywhere. Now you are posting on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is, it
right,
will not matter. So in this process, you are creating a reputation for you. You are creating a brand for yourself. You are creating a personal brand for yourself. And once you gain those followers, once you gain those subscribers for you, surely you will get some of the other career opportunity elsewhere. And this is how you should utilize all other platforms. But getting career opportunity is very much easier in LinkedIn than if you compare to all other platforms, is like what I feel. And I have also experienced the same in past 4 months. One of my friend wanted the
right,
job, and yeah, he was continuously asking, and I told him to do the same which I told earlier. I told him to, you need to just start sending the connection, start shooting your resume, and he did that. He did that, and he got job in 4 months. So LinkedIn is the best place. But yeah, if you're using different platforms, start posting videos on that niche, and do more, and you'll surely find a career out of it. And career finding is like you tasting and trying each and everything. From 22 to 30 age, you just need to start tasting things. You need to try more things. You need to try different stuffs.
right.
So there's one question I would like to answer. Simran is having a question like, how can we grow our LinkedIn profile? See,
Yeah,
LinkedIn profile can be grown personally. Personally, I mean by you can send connections to all the profile which are available on LinkedIn. If you go in network, there's a section called as network. You go there. LinkedIn
right,
shows you organic reach. LinkedIn shows you all those connections. Just start sending the connection to them. They will accept your connection. And with this, you just need to start posting content also, so that it doesn't look spam for LinkedIn. So you just need to post content. You need to start commenting on others' post and start sending the connection. This is how you build up your LinkedIn profile. I got like 12K connections in past 12 months. So it's a big
right,
time. So every month there is 1,000 connection. But 1,000 connection, I was just not sending the connection. I was posting the videos also, and I was commenting on others' posts also. And that's how it went good for me, because LinkedIn, what it does know, after few time, if you're simply sending the connection, it will block you. So you need to post the content. You need to be active on LinkedIn, just same as you are active on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. You just need to be active on
right.
LinkedIn also, and there from there you can make your LinkedIn profile very much stronger. I hope that answers my your question, Simran.